Hello and welcome to our channel. Learn at 7:30 p.m. with your friend. Quadratic equations part 7. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched part 6. Solution of a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So, we know that what is the general form of a quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. So, here the coefficients are a, b, and the constant term say c. Okay, so using these three coefficients or constants, we can find the value of x. You know what is the solution of an equation? Solution means the value of the variable for which the given equation satisfies, isn't it? So here we have to find the value of x. So now you know how to find the value of x using factorization method and by completion of squares. So here we are using a direct formula to find the values of x. As we know, since it is a quadratic equation, there will be two roots exist for this particular equation. Now, the formula to find the value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Look at your x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. So let us see where are the two real root or where are the two roots. So that is x is equal to minus b. Here you can see plus or minus. That means either plus or minus. So let us consider plus first. So minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here there is plus and minus. Here I took plus and here minus. So these are the two roots for this particular equation. So this one we have to by heart. So if you're so particular and if you want to know the details of the derivation of this formula, you can watch that video. Okay. Now this one you have to by heart. Fine. Now let us see how can we use these or this particular formula to solve a quadratic equation. Before moving to that, so let us recall the equation once again. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this formula, this is known as root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, this b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the root. So this is very important. This is called the discriminant of the root. So we will discuss this particular topic later, so when it comes the session nature of roots. Okay, anyhow, you just remember this is called the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Fine. Let us move. Once again, x is equal to, remember, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by the whole divided by 2a. So remember, this division must be the whole divided by, okay, by 2a. Now we will learn how can we apply this particular formula to solve a quadratic equation. And this formula is known as the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Okay. So this particular formula you have to by heart. Let's take a question. Solve 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. So when you get a question like this, you have to read it very carefully. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. When you are doing problems, the signs of numbers, that means integers, are very, very important. So you must be very careful about the positive and negative sign. So let us see what is a here. A means, so look at the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a means it is the coefficient of x square. Here it is 3. And what about b? B is the coefficient of x. So look at here. What is the coefficient of x? It is negative 5. So always remember to write the sign. And what is the constant? That is c is equal to positive 2. Now let's apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Hereafter, you can directly apply the values of a, b and c, or first you can find out the discriminants a b square minus 4ac, then you can apply this formula. So here I am going to apply directly. So here there's 1 minus, then b is minus 5. Please note this step. The formula is negative b. So one negative is already in the formula, and this negative just because b is negative 5. So two negatives. Plus or minus square root of b square, or b is negative 5. Put a bracket, b square minus 4 into a is 3 into C is 2. So just substitute the values. Remember, this is whole divided by 2a. That is 2 into, how much is it? It is 3. So this is equal to, what is minus of minus? 2 minus, it's plus. So it is plus 5 plus or minus root of, let us simplify. Negative 5 into negative 5, it is positive 25. Okay, minus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, divided by 2 3s are 6. Fine. This is equal to 5 plus or minus. How much is 25 minus 24? It is equal to 1. So plus or minus root of 1 divided by 6. Now shall we split it? How much is root 1? Root 1 is equal to 1, 5. So 5 plus 1 by 6, or 5 minus 1 by 6. Look at here. 5 is your plus root 1 and minus root 1. Actually, this plus or minus is coming from the square root, because you know that root of a number, say root of 25, can be plus 5 or minus 5. Okay, now this is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 6. And 5 minus 1 is 4 by 6. How much is 6 by 6? It is equal to 1. 4 by 6 you can cancel with 3, 2. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So here it is 2 by 3. Hence the roots are 1 and 2 by 3. Clear? Look at here. Take the given equation. Write A, B, C. Write the formula, apply the values for A, B, C, and just simplify. So remember, you have to be very careful about the signs, whether it is positive or negative. Okay, now we'll move to another question. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So what do you have to do? So let us write the coefficients, say a, b, and the constant say term c. So here, just compare with the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1. This is just x square. That means a is equal to 1 and b is equal to positive 4 and c is equal to 5, positive 5. Let's write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole divided by 2a, is equal to minus, what is b? It is 4, plus or minus root of b square, direct application. B square means 4 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and C is 5. The whole divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1, which is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16 and 5 fours are 20. 16 minus 20 divided by 2. Okay, now this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of, look at here, 16 minus 20. 16 is a smaller number, 20 is comparatively bigger. So smaller minus bigger, you know that it is always a negative number. So how will you find the difference? Or how can you subtract integers? So 16 minus 20 means just find the difference and put a negative sign, because smaller minus bigger is always negative. So the answer is negative 4. The whole divided by 2. So look at here. How can you find the square root of a negative number? It is possible, but according to our concern, square root of a negative number means there is no real root. So you have to see the discriminant first. Okay. In such cases, we have to check the discriminant. Then only we can go for further simplification. So this implies, so you can write this implies there is or there exists no real roots. This is your conclusion. So if there is a negative number inside the square root, you can write there exist no real roots. It doesn't mean that there is no roots. There are, but there exist no real roots. Okay. So this will explain in the nature of the root section. Okay. So anyhow, your conclusion will be there exist no real roots. Okay. Clear? So let's move to the next question. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So this appears to be a linear equation. So let us see how can we simplify this. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So this is none other than, I can write by 1 here. So x by 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Just go for cross multiplication. X into this much. Okay. X into x is x square plus 1 into 1 is 1. The whole divided by, remember to multiply the denominators, 1 into x. X. This is equal to 3. This is none other than cross multiplication. Okay. Fine. Now take x to the other side. So that is x square plus 1 is equal to, this is divided by x. So when you're taking x to the other side, it will become into x. So this is 3 into x or 3x. Now take 3x to the left hand side. That is x square plus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. So let's write in the proper order. That is x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. See, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's write what is a, b, c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3 and c is equal to again 1. Apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is d? b square minus 4ac. This is equal to minus 3, because b is minus 3 here, plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 into a into c, that is 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4, divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay. So minus of minus is plus 3, plus or minus 9 minus 4 is 5, root of 5 divided by 2. So no need to go for further simplification for root 5. So your x will be, x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. So these are the required roots for this particular equation. I hope you understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you can just post in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.